never know what I'm running from, but I keep running back to you.
Alright, I'm gonna look, I'm gonna stare. Ah! Okay. Fun. Wow, look at the signs, dude. We know where the signs are. Okay, okay. Alright, look left, look left. Look right. Alright, go left.
Alright, go left.
Ooh, books!
Books! Books! Books! Go! Go! Actually, I don't want to go in first.
Controller died, one more time, hold on, let me
Go,
go!
there's tape, there's tape, there's tape, there's tape.
Yeah, I know, where? Get it! Oh my god, you better get it. 5. Hey! Three more! Hey, where y'all at? Wait,
Yo, who has
wait.
tape? Who has tape that freaking big? Like, for real.
Exactly, come on.
It's like a freaking surfboard.
Surfboard. Alright, come on.
Maybe they were a big
Why would Bixel want tapes?
Bigfoot to jam out to Chief Chief.
Oh, bro. Oh, bro.
Oh, bro. Oh, bro.
Wait. I'm gonna look right. I ain't there. Keep going straight. Yo, my light's getting darker, dude. I'm kinda scared. It's gonna turn off. You better never see that ever again.
Yo, next time we go here with just no lights at all.
Go right.
Oh, I hear it, dude. I don't think we should turn this corner, actually.
You should.
You know what? I'm gonna be balls deep. Ah! Oh.
Yeet,
You
yeah,
see
yeet.
balls, are you gonna run in there and you just walking in slow motion?
Wait, hold on.
I never looked at it. I told you he was in there.
I don't know what happened, but I'm trying to go.
Dude,
I didn't
he
see
was
it.
right down the right, staring at my pupil. Just keep going.
He's like, what was that, bro?
Oh my god! He got me.
He got your res?
Yeah.
No!
Oh,
I told you.
oh my god! That was so scary.
Right, go right.
Oh,
go right.
wait, guys, hold up. You gotta stop. You gotta stop for a second. I'm gonna get behind you.
Wait,
Hold up.
I don't know where you're at, dude. You're faster than us, so.
Stop! I'm right behind you guys.
If we
Okay, I'm
stop,
coming.
we're
I'm
gonna
behind
die. I can't stop.
you. Alright, I'm behind you guys.
Alright.
Holy crap, that was so
Well, help
scary.
us find the tapes too. You'll help. Wait, what's that? No, never mind.
Let's say you've been here before.
Yeah,
Dude,
no.
That was so scary, honestly. I don't
When
ever
he
want to do
comes
that
like
again.
in your screen, dude, I hate that part.
Dude, I like looking at my screen. Oh my god.
Go straight! Go straight!
I didn't see him.
Boy, you can't see him. You can't see him when you're dead.
You can't see it. Maybe we can.
Oh.
Oh my! If I look left and he's there, dude, I'm
Well,
go left. Go left.
well, they always said black guy dies first.
Oh my god, keep going. Yo, my head hurts from screaming, dude. It hurts so bad.
Dude. Ow.
I'm gonna sing a happy song.
It was so weird. The way man he's walking. He's like, yeah, I got my beat songs.
Yo, Rez, wanna see me moonwalk?
Yeah, dude.
Watch. Go right! Oh my god, dude, right when I turn... Oh! Right when I turn around, he's just staring at me.
You're all like, there's the moonwalk.
Go right. Oh my god.
Oh, that was hilarious.
Is there a cell? Wasn't there a cell on this map? Oh no, never mind. Wrong map. Dude, my throat and my head hurt.
Okay, yo, like, let me do that.
Alright. Is he on the right? Is he on the right? No. Should we go right or straight? Everyone stop!
I'll go ahead.
Okay, we'll just go right. Right, you can't see anything. We don't even...
I'm in front of you. I'm in front of you.
Yeah, I can see you. You're all blue.
Oh, thanks.
Dude, you're a thought walking. Why do you wait a second?
I'm a thought walk. Hey.
Follow Rez. Rez, follow the signs, dude.
Dude,
Dude, you are just thought walking fast as possible, dude.
I don't know where to go here.
Go!
Fernando's going straight! Fernando's going straight! Fernando's going straight! He went straight in there.
Fernando, why would you go straight?
Yo, wait up for this. Go
Wait a
back.
minute!
Go back.
We gotta stop.
Fernando's
We
behind
gotta
us.
stop. We gotta wait for
Fernando's
Fernando.
behind us.
Ah, Fernando, come on, bud!
Come on, bud.
Ah, Fernando, go back! Go back!
Yo.
Go! Go, dude. Just don't stop.
Oh.
Right! Ah, go straight! Go straight!
Oh, get the big door to the right. There's a big door to the right.
We have to go. We have to go to the right. We have to. We cannot just switch walk
It's
like
a
a
cell,
god.
it's a cell.
Just go. Well, this is the cell. One's in here. One's in here.
Hey, can you guys hear me now?
Yeah, we can hear you. Look for the tape.
Alright.
Not in that one. Not in that one.
You can just hear it. If you can hear it, just tell me.
I hear something.
I hear
yeah,
it.
I'm here.
I need these holes on this dick. No, I'm kidding. Stop
Here.
time for jokes.
Brian sent me a message.
But
Don't
yeah,
look at it.
he sent me one too. I'm not gonna look at it. He's just trying to interrupt us. He's probably like,
Quick.
great thing.
The green thing's right outside. The green. Yes.
Alright, go. Go.
Two
Where
more.
you
Two
go?
more, boys. Just keep going straight. Just keep going straight.
Just get in there. Okay, yeah, he's right behind you. He's right behind you.
Okay.
Alright.
Pull your roll.
I am so freaked out right now, boys.
Of course, I don't know which way not to look.
Just go straight. Don't look anywhere. Just keep going straight.
Okay, Fernando's going straight too. I'm just catching up.
Don't even look. Just keep going straight until you see something.
Oh.
Where is this?
Don't.
This is a big room.
Right! Go left!
A big room.
Going left, bud. Going
Come
left.
on. Come on.
Wait, can you guys still
What's
hear
these
me?
little things to the
I'm
left?
not looking behind me because I might die. Alright,
can you guys still hear
okay.
me?
We look left, look right. Look left! Look right! Okay.
Wait, Taurus, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah.
Alright, you guys can hear me. Alright, good.
Alright, go right. Come here and go right. Come on.
Dude, freaking Fernando looks Shaggy.
We at the corner.
Fernando looks Shaggy.
Oh my god.
Alright, go left.
Remus looks like Velma.
Shaggy?
And who's that hot chick that?
Go left. Right!
Green thing!
Great thing! Watch the great thing! Don't worry about everything! Keep going straight. Just keep going straight. Don't worry
Oh
about
my
it.
god. I don't know if you guys can
You
hear
guys
me,
are
but I'm
thinking
scared.
Ew!
We can hear you.
Somebody got taken. Somebody
Who
got
died?
taken. Remus got taken.
Who did?
Remus got taken.
Oh my god,
Remus, turn around.
Fernando! Me
Remus,
and you,
turn around.
bud!
Remus, turn
It's
around.
just me and
Remus,
you.
turn around. Remus, turn around.
I'm not
Remus, turn
turning around, Rez. He's behind us.
No, I'm talking about three of us. Remus got taken.
Look left. Look right. Go left. Come on, go left.
Here, follow the blue ghost. Follow the blue ghost.
Ah, green. Oh, the green thing freaked me out. Don't look at it.
Yeah, what you guys go? Left or right? You guys go left or right?
We're going right now. We went left, Rez. We went left.
Noise.
Remus, work on that fight.
Ah, oh my god, you scared the poop sickles out of me.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Oh.
Go back! This game sucks! Go!
Look at it, don't look at it.
I'm looking at it. I'm all did this thing.
Oh my god, dude, I'm so scared.
Where you at?
Alright, we're gonna go.
Y'all alone.
Oh, he's right there!
Y'all
Go
alone.
back! This is dumb!
You're all by yourself, Fernando.
Where's Fernando? Fernando, stop moving! Do not move!
He's gonna get taken.
I
He's
saw
gonna
your
get taken.
flashlight! No! Do not move! I saw your
He's
flashlight.
getting taken.
There you go!
He's
I'm right here,
getting
bud.
taken.
We're okay.
You both gonna get taken. You're gonna die.
Is he-
You're
are
gonna
you
die.
sure
You're
you're
gonna die. You're gonna die. You're gonna die.
Ah! Okay.
You're gonna die.
Should we go left or right? Left or right?
I don't know, whatever.
Yo.
Whatever.
Ah! Right!
Oh my god, dude.
Dude, come on, we need 2 more! I don't wanna die!
You're gonna die. You're gonna die. You're gonna die. You're gonna die. I heard that.
Go!
Ooh.
Oh
Ooh.
my god.
Go
Dude, I heard
straight!
like a little
Go
baby.
straight!
Oh my god.
Yeah, we only need 2 more takes. Come on.
Bro, I am shaking out of my leather skin
Oh my
boots.
god. I gotta take a piss.
Lunar skin. Alright, left or right? Left or straight? Left or straight?
Just keep going straight. Left. Go left.
Alright, left or right?
Yeah.
What? Oh, the controller died.
My controller died, Jesus! Go! No,
Go.
to the game!
Left or
Go!
right? Left or right, left or right.
Oh, I gotta look first. Left. Oh my god. Manny, if you're talking, we can't hear you. Oh my god.
We've been here before.
I know. I hear him, dude.
I'm all up in your hair, it's in your booty, it's in your drawers, giving you some cooties.
Round and round, the wheels on the bus go round and round.
All through the town.
What?
Just keep swimming, just keep
About a
swimming,
week
just
ago,
keep
we
swimming,
could
swimming,
Oh,
swimming.
what?
What do you do when you just keep swimming?
Taurus, you're like all over the creepy haunted house, Bobby Shmurda comes on, a ghost comes out doing the Shmurda dance.
Thought about a week ago, we go. This is where the cell is, I think. Just keep going straight. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Rez, we go straight. Where are you going? You better not leave me, dude. I swear to God.
No.
Rez, not all over my face.
Maybe he has no eyes.
Really? I don't
You
want
have
to turn
no
around. I'll turn around.
Maybe he has no
Years! Go! Go straight. Keep going straight. He was in the back. He's behind
Maybe he
us.
has
Nick.
no eyes. A yeeter.
Oh, green thing. We'll look at it.
Where? Where? I can look at it. I see it.
I'm so scared, dude. Now, this is where the train
The
is.
train.
We've already been here.
Yeah, but
Wait, no, we have.
Why is the sensitivity so low?
did we?
No, we have. There should be one here. Stop looking at me, Rez! Jesus!
Looks so cute.
Do not look
My
right.
penis feels
I
like it's
hear him. Do
bleeding.
not look right. I hear him, dude.
No, they got Taurus! They got Taurus!
Dude! Nick, what are you?
You by yourself,
Oh,
Fernando.
bud.
You by
Oh.
yourself, Fernando.
Oh.
Yo. He's by
Mom.
himself. He's by himself.
Oh my god!
Scary.
Fuck you!
Oh.
Fuck you!
Wait, man. Nick, what are you? Nick, I'm right behind you guys. Rez, turn around, or behind you, Rez.
Yeah, I know. I saw you, you guy.
Nick, there
Your
should
body
be one
got
over here,
lifted
dude.
up.
I played this map like millions of times. There should be one over here.
Like millions of times.
You are here walking. Is that my footsteps?
Yeah, it's yours.
Why is he walking so fast?
Select you just having sex or something.
I know. It is annoying.
He's going to town.
I can hear it.
He's like, oh.
Dang, you can see
Oh.
Manny's thighs. I mean, I like that, but I'm saying, like, you see his, like,
But-
circles? You see that,
Oh
Rez?
my
His
God.
circles?
Yeah.
Oh my god!
No, God. Wait, Taurus, who's that face? Remember that's with the monotone voice? Who was it?
What
Was
you
it face? Dirtier? That face, remember that has like the monotone voice?
Face dirty?
Oh my God, it's
oh
right
my
there.
God, oh my
Oh my God.
Wait back.
Ah! Ah!
Oh my God.
Ah! So scared.
Oh god!
Go to the right, go to the right. Oh.
Just killing yourself already.
Fuck you! I'm doing this for the team. Nice.
Dude, I should have been by my. Dude, I can't believe I died.
That was hilarious.
Did
We
he
put
go
on
to-
hard mode to go back. We put on hard mode next and take Ring of Firefly off.
Rez, you're like Mike is coming in it.
We should go to hard mode and just turn the lights off. What's Manny doing? Man, he's not doing anything. He's listening to his music. Oh, he's trying to fix his mic. What the heck? What the heck? Taurus! Uh-oh. Dude, Taurus like disappearing so low. Oh god. His body like went into a wall. Oh my god. We kept going straight. Everyone's splitting up straight. We got to get back on. He died, so. Go. Oh my god, I don't know. Come on, Fernando, you got this. You got it. Okay, guys, like, honestly, everything's gonna be alright. You have a ghost behind you.
Oh my god. This is the hard part. Left or right? Left.
Go left, go left, go left.
Wait, can you hear me?
Yep. He's forgot when someone like disappeared.
Alright.
Like disconnect, he like went to a wall.
Oh, this is an awkward position I have to hold the mic at.
He's like, Fernando is trying to find a lot of escape. Woo!
Hello?
You got this, Fernando.
Wait,
You got this, Fernando.
wait, you can hear me?
Left or
Yeah,
right?
you need-
Should I go left or right? Be
Go
left or
left.
straight?
Well, I don't really know where you guys are. I'll find you sooner or later.
You people have to explore it.
Well, I kind of have to hold my mic at a weird angle, so I won't be talking most of the.
Hey, go left. Here, hey. Nope, that's a rock. That's a rock. Looks like third. We've been here before. Oh my god. Go right.
I'm gonna go this way. Let's see.
What the heck?
Oh my god, he's behind me! He's behind me! He's behind me! He's behind me!
You did. You did. You did. You did. You did. You did. You did.
What a
No.
fucking Jew!
What's the camera?
Hey, is it working? It is working already. Well, I won't be talking most of the time from now on until I get a new mic because this is such an awkward angle.
God.
Right to the message saying
getting
behind
louder.
you. You're gonna get
No, no,
smacked. You're gonna cry when you get hit by that thing, dude.
Dude, that I turned around, kind of crawled over to a ball. What have you got to say? Oh, you're dead. 3, 2, 1. Man.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, I want those big rocks that just like this dude. Crap. There's that's my body. What are you doing, Fernando?
One really long ass hallway. Wait, I hear a tape, I think.
What's Fernando doing? What's he doing? What's he doing? You can't go up there.
Wait, are you guys over there by Taurus's body?
Your body. Oh, you can use the D-pad to control your body. That's cool. Hold on. Dude,
Oh, God!
save yourself. Save yourself. Kill yourself.
Keep going, Iniquity. You got this, bro.
Kill yourself. Kill yourself. Oh, he died! Oh, he died!
He just screams, dude. He goes,
Oh my god. I like going to the corner, I just get body just get lifted. It made me a CP red. I died first.
16 minutes into it.
I found 2. Wow.
Ew, my character had like Down syndrome. What the fuck?
How do you have the most block? 3, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 9.
Doris had like 38.
What happened? Who's the one first?
Alright, I'll be back.
Oh my god, look at where we're going. We all stay in the group. We all stay in the
And
group.
then someone like Iniquity walked off and then came back.
That's cool.
Saw him,
I think-
saw him.
Someone died, I think.
Kind of painting out the map. Like if we just walked everywhere in the map, we could paint it all out.
Wow, we went up there, right there. It turned back, turned around, went to a corner. Oh,
Iniquity got lost and he came.
I died there too. I think I was running around.
Yep, and then I'm gonna die. I pulled it off. I got saw him or something. Like I got so scared, dude.
Look at you, it's like all in a little corner, dude. You start tracing the skills back.
I got scared. I always stay like right next to everybody.
Oh my god, maybe not.
Yeah, I died right there.
I like to work with that. Nope, there you go. You got lost.
Yeah, I was sitting right there the whole time.
Oh,
Well, that was
white
fun.
noise online. Well,
Didn't
guys,
we
that's
all
been
go,
a
yeah?
white noise. We're gonna do another one later on so we can get Dylan back. But thanks for watching the video. Hope you liked it. Please drop a like or something different on my channel. Hope you guys have a happy Halloween. Which is probably gonna come out before or on Halloween, but maybe not. But I hope you guys like it. Please
Oh,
subscribe
look,
for
I
more.
got a new character.
Peace. Okay.